All right. For my social media followers, we have this 2012 Ram 3500. We have taken off the rear main seal on it and the cam seal. And as you see here, we got the oil pan is out. This is where the oil is um, sits, the oil pan. This is basically how it looks all the way from the bottom. We are performing the oil pan seal gasket, oil pan seal replacement and rear main seal and a cam seal. For that, you have to basically remove the transmission. This is the transmission sitting on the side right now, being waiting for to get these parts installed so we can install all this back again. So here we are replacing a oil pan gasket, rear main seal, cam seal for this 2012 Ram 3500 4x4. Give me a call if you are located in North Houston. We are located in North Houston. For my customers that need this type of job, we are located in North Houston, 1960 near Ella Boulevard. Our zip code is 77090. For anybody that would like to get this job done for your truck. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for support our business. Give us a call, 832-618-7291. This is the oil pan looks on it. And we're about to finish this truck. We're about to start putting it back together. Thanks a lot for watching.